In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Microsoft Teams on any device. If you need to access Teams for work, school, or personal communication, the sign-in process is usually quick and simple. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to log in using the desktop app on Windows or Mac, and also how to sign in through a web browser if you don't want to install anything. Let's start with Windows or Mac. First, open the Microsoft Teams app on your computer. If you already have it installed, you can launch it from your desktop, applications folder, or start menu, depending on your device. Once the app opens, click sign in. Teams will then ask for your Microsoft account email address. Type in the email address connected to your Microsoft account, then click next. On the following screen, enter your password carefully and then click sign in. In some cases, Microsoft may ask you to complete an extra security step. This is called two-step verification or multi-factor authentication. If that appears, just follow the prompts to verify your identity. This might involve approving a sign-in on another device, entering a code, or using an authentication method you already set up. After that's complete, Teams will finish loading and take you directly into your account. Now let's look at the browser method, which is great if you're on a shared computer or just want quick access without using the app. Open a supported browser such as Chrome, Edge, Safari, or another modern browser. Then go to the Microsoft Teams website. When the page loads, click Sign In. Enter your Microsoft account email and password, just like you would in the desktop app. If Microsoft asks for a security check, complete that step as well. Once everything is verified, Teams will open right in your browser and you can start using it immediately. A helpful tip here is to make sure you're using the correct Microsoft account, especially if you have more than one. Many login issues happen simply because the wrong email address is entered. It also helps to double check your password before trying again if the first sign-in doesn't work. And that's it. Whether you're using the Teams app on Windows or Mac or signing in through your web browser, the steps are straightforward and only take a minute. Once you're logged in, you'll be ready to join meetings, chat with others, and access your Teams workspace.